Want to know how to set up and use an alarm on your Apple Watch? It's super simple and you can wake up or get reminders from your wrist. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use an alarm on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Method 1. Using the Alarms app on your watch. Open the Alarm app. It looks like a clock with a bell. This might be a plus icon. Tap on it. Scroll up or down on these wheels to set your desired alarm time. Or you can use the digital crown to adjust. After adjusting the time, tap on the tick mark icon below, and your alarm is created. If you tap on it, you change more settings. If you tap repeat, you can choose which days of the week you want the alarm to go off. If you tap label, you can set a name for the alarm like wake up or meeting. In this way, you can set more features in your alarm. Method 2. Using Siri. Press and hold the digital crown button. Now say, "Hey Siri, set an alarm for 3:15 p.m. And the alarm has been created. Too easy, right? And that's all for today. Hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for today.